In today's video, we are going to talk about the Python variable. So, Python variable means like any variable we use to store the particular value. So, when we are using a variable in Python, we did not need to write down the type of the variable, like whether it is a characteristics, or whether it's a string, or whether it's a numeric value, integer. So, did not need to write down the type of the variable, because Python language is enough to get the variable type. Then variable name, like we can it can be in numeric or it can be the letters, but the starting should be in a numeric, starting should be a letter. So there are some rules while we need to consider while defining the variable. So when we are defining the variable, so it should be started with the alphabets or the underscore. Okay, it should not have these type of characteristics at the starting. And the Python is a case sensitive language. That means if you are writing, if you are giving name in small letters, and so for example here we have considered the my name. So my name in lowercase and my name is uppercase, both are not same, it considered as a different variable. So there are some valid identifier which are given here. These are some examples. That for example, you can start with alphabets and then you can consider the numeric value for defining variable. It is okay. You can start with underscore and then you can use the letter, or you can start with letter then use underscore and then the numeric value. It is okay, but you cannot directly start with the numeric value. Okay, so this is the invalid. So these are the invalid identifier. So this is about the variable. Now how we are assigning and declaring the variable. So first of all, we use the equal signs for assigning or declaring the variable. I'll give you an example. For here, these are the variable that a is equal to 10, then name is equal to Ravi, then salary. Okay, so these are the variable a, name and salary. These are the variable, and the value that these variables store are 10, Ravi, 20, sorry, to 20,000.67. So these are the value are stored by this variable a, name and salary. And then we are using the print function, that is print a, print name and print salary. Okay, so then output we will get, that is a 10 Ravi and 2000, sorry, 20,000.67. Okay, then we can assign a multiple value, or a single value to the multiple variables. Okay, so for example here you can see here x is equal to y, then y is equal to z, which is equal to 50. That means the value of x is 50, value of y is 50, and value of z is also 50. So we can assign a single value to the multiple variable. Okay, and then we have used the print function, that is print x, print y and print z. Okay, then now we can assign a multiple value to the multiple variable. Then here we need to consider the comma, that is a comma b comma c, which is equal to 5 comma 10 comma 15. And then I'm saying that print a, print b and print c. Okay, so here I am assigning a different value to the different variables. Okay, so multiple value to the multiple variable, and the output will be 5, 10 and 15. Okay, so this is about the variable and assigning variable and the declaration of variable. In upcoming videos we will see the next part of the Python.